If no one else will say it, I'll say it. Your headlights look like crap, and it's not that hard to fix it. I'm 𝗵𝗲𝗍, and in this video, I'm gonna show you that everything you need to fix that problem is in this box. So this isn't really considered a step, but if this is your first time working on your headlights, you might want to consider masking the surrounding areas with tape just to protect your paint and your plastics. But since I've done this multiple times, I'm not going to do that in this case. If you've done this multiple times, you don't have to either. So let's get into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my kit. I'm going to grab the bottle of Headlight Restoration that it comes with. Then I'm gonna grab my provided applicator. This comes with a cutting side and a polishing side. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just open up the spout. Oh, I'm gonna open up the spout, and I'm just gonna apply a few drops onto my applicator. So in this case, I'm gonna do about 4, and then I'm gonna work in sections. So for now, I'm gonna start here. I'm just pretty much gonna blotch this guy out. Then I'm gonna spread my product. And as I'm spreading my product, I just wanna do it in straight lines. All right, so once I blotch this out, I'm gonna spread the product and I'm gonna work in straight lines until the headlight becomes clear. And as you can see, it's already getting brighter on this side. Since I'm cutting the oxidation, in just a few moments, I'm gonna apply some product onto the white side of the pad to refine my surface. So about 1 drop is enough just for this little area. Pretty much do the same thing. And refining the surface is intended to bring out the shine. As you can see, I'm working on a BMW, and headlights aren't cheap for this vehicle. So buying this kit makes this a lot easier on the owner, on not having to pull out of his pocket, spend money on that. And yeah, as you can see, it's already getting brightened up, looking better. So far, I removed most of the oxidation, so I'm gonna finish up the headlight, and then I'm gonna show you how to also protect your work. All right, guys, we got kicked out. We're outside now. They're using the garage for TikTok lives. If you haven't checked out our TikTok lives, they're every Tuesday and Thursday, spontaneously, sometimes on a Monday or Wednesday or Friday, who knows, but normally Tuesday and Thursday from 1:30 to about 4. Exclusive deals on there, all sorts of demos. So make sure to check that out if you want to learn about our products more and just get good deals, because a lot of stuff get offered on there. So really quickly, where we left off is I was working on half of the headlight and I cut off the oxidation from this side. I refined a bit of it, and so you can see a straight line down. I didn't use any tape, so it's kind of a crooked line, but there's still oxidation on this other side. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna just cut the rest off using the pad again and the headlight restoration. I'm gonna cut off, and then I'm gonna use the white side to refine to bring out more shine. And yeah, then I'm gonna show you how to pretty much protect it. It's a big misconception for people that work on headlights to think to just leave it at that. But most of the time with the UV rays from the sun, it will just make it hazy and yellow again. So I'm gonna show you how to protect it. So I'm gonna just get back on this. So I'm just getting the headlight restoration real quick and applying a few dots of product. Same thing like I did on the other side. Blotch this guy out. And then I'm gonna wanna spread my product out. Then once I do that, I'm gonna use a little bit of elbow grease. I'm just working the product in. And I like to work in straight lines just so that I don't create any scratches. And just because I feel like I need more product, you know, don't worry, don't be stingy with the product. Add another dot. That should be enough. And then work more in. And especially because I want a little bit of product left on here for the refining side of the pad. And if you notice, also our pad is actually kind of designed to be handheld. Little fun thing that they did. So now I'm gonna switch over to my white side. All right, guys, once you feel like you refined the headlight enough, the next step is now gonna be removing the product. And what's good about this kit is it comes with everything you're gonna need. So it actually comes with microfiber towel. And what you wanna do is you always wanna remove the chemical guy's tag, because you don't wanna create any scratches dragging the tag around. So now I'm just gonna fold up the towel and remove my product. Just look at that. And there you have it. Look at these headlights. Back to life. Saved us some money by just buying the Headlight Restoration Kit instead of new headlights. And you guys can see, super easy to do. We make these kits to be user friendly. And yeah, I know all of you guys could do this also. So now I'm gonna show you guys how to protect it. Let's go back to our kit. Like I said, it comes with everything you need. Now we pull out our hydrocharged ceramic spray coating. And this is gonna protect the headlights again from the UV rays, the oxidation that make it hazy and yellow. And again, like I said, comes with everything you need. Comes with an applicator as well. I'm also just gonna remove the tag off of this one also. Okay, so I'm gonna put the box away just because it's a little bit windy here and I don't want it to fly away. So yeah. Let's get to protecting our headlights. You want to always protect your work, because what's the point if you're just going to lose it in a couple of days? So you always want to shake up your product first. Open it up. And then just a few sprays. That does enough. And if you feel like you need more, why not? And then we're just gonna now apply it onto the headlights, side to side, up and down. No need to go in circular motions. You wanna follow the haze. So you could also work in sections, but I mean, these headlights aren't too big, so why not just take on the whole headlight? So I just went side to side. Now I'm gonna go up and down. And what I love about this kit is, I mean, now you own a bottle of hydrocharge. You know, you can use it on glass, you can use it on your paint. It's obviously probably not gonna be enough for all the vehicles you own or every wash, but I mean, you know, you get to find out if you like the product or not, and then maybe just buy the bigger version of the hydrocharge bottle. But for the meantime, you have a sample of the product. And you're always gonna have this applicator. So since we also moved to the outside, you know, we're in the sun, the surface is a little warm, so we're not gonna leave it on there for too long. So we're just gonna grab our cane side of the microfiber towel. We're gonna leave it on there now for a couple of seconds, and we're just gonna wipe off. Flip to the other dry side, just to pick up any probably residue of the product. And there you go. Our work that we put into bringing back the brightness of the headlights is protected. And yeah, now the owner of the vehicle is gonna be able to see better while driving at night. All right, so where's the beauty in the kit? The beauty is that you save money on not buying another headlight. The beauty is not paying someone to do something that's clearly easy for you to do. You saw me knock this out in a couple of minutes. And that was with me changing environments. So there is the beauty in this kit. And another thing, like I said, now you're an owner of hydrocharged ceramic. You get to sample this product. If you like it, maybe buy the bigger version to be able to apply it more on your glass, your paint. You're always gonna have this headlight restoration kit. This headlight restoration bottle, just in case maybe you have a friend or a family member that also has a similar issue with the oxidation on the headlights. So now you get to just be that guy and say, hey, I can fix the problem, bring out your kit, fix it up for him. He might even just tip you, who knows? Might just be doing it for others that don't know how to fix this. So now you know how to fix this problem. And yeah, that's all with the help of just simply purchasing our headlight restoration kit. Like I said, here at Chemical Guys, we like to design our products and our kits to be user-friendly for everyone to use. And that's why we're making this video, to really show you how easy it is. Because like you saw, if you got to the end of this video, I didn't really struggle that much. I used a little bit of elbow grease on spreading the compound and working it in. But honestly, that was a little fun of it. That was kind of a fun part, just seeing the oxidation come off. It leaves you with a proud feeling that you were able to do it yourself. So yeah, right here we have the basically brought back to life headlight. And if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much. I hope you learned something today. If you have any questions, just comment. If you liked the video, please support us, give us a like, maybe subscribe. We have tons of tips and tricks on our channel. Yeah, my name is 𝗵𝗲𝗍, and we'll see you on the next one.